same as they were a year ago. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
So this is Smugglers Run, and we are heading to our ship. Mike and Shannon are the pilots, so God help us.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here.
Alright, guys.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Oh my goodness. Alright, Mark, you gotta take off your bags. Oh wow.
Pour your bags on the floor. Once you buckle your seatbelts, I need to see you pull up on the yellow strap. I just lay it along the floor.
On the floor?
Yep.
I want to be.
You'd better be faster when we get right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off.
Remember, you're left and right. You're left and right.
Fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, what's it? Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've not gone to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineer, fire the harpoon.
Get over, get over. No!
Shoot the cargo free. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's one point. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Right, line up behind the train. Harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon and reel us in. Pilots, into the center. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Keep shooting. I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Let's fire it. Hit the boosters. Boost. Look. Right now. Let's get out of here. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, That is rough.
Boys, you damaged the ship.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have big happens sometimes when you travel to uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to misplace the ship. Time for you to go.